Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include stability control, premium sound system, rear view camera, premium package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2020 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.